Here is this Lasko 18-inch oscillating table fan. I'm doing a remake video of it because it looks really cool as a table fan. I know what you're saying. It kind of looks like one of the cyclone floor fan that tilts, but it's not. You can actually see the base a little bit. It does tilt. So it has the newer Lasko badge, like always. Here, just like the table fan. Probably can't see, it's probably upside down, but at the panel blades, cyclonic turbo grill. There's not much clearance between the base and the fan. Here, let me go ahead and tilt this up real quick. Hold on. You can see that this is the controls. Not much has changed. It's the same fan, but with the 18-inch parts on it. Here's the side of the fan. This thing does tilt just like the pedestal fan. I was basically worried that this thing wasn't gonna tilt because of how big the parts made it. Here's the back with the oscillator pin. Believe it or not, this thing actually does. The oscillation does work on this thing, even with these big and bulky parts that are on this thing. So I'm going to face it up towards the camera like this. Actually, no, let's not do that. Here is low. And it's not blowing in the air because how slow the blades are, but at least this thing starts up slower with these blades. Here's medium. Well, let me turn it off real quick. I gotta basically this thing actually, I think it does have a startup sound. I don't know if it does though, so let's go ahead and turn this thing around real quick. Keeps trying to make the clicky noise. Oops. Alright, here's the startup sound of this fan. Zoom into the motor real quick here. So that's actually, it's a nice startup sound to the fan. So let's turn this back on low. Yeah, very slow starting fan, as you can see. At least it does perform really goodly. Here's a medium. Here's on the oscillation control. At least the oscillation is slower because of how big the parts are. It kind of does struggle. Look how slow the oscillation is. And here's high. Starting to make the weird wispy sound, but it's really slow. But even at its lowest position, it still does manage to oscillate. But the spin down time is actually pretty good with these big blades. Like, the original blades that it came with, the spin down time wouldn't be long. So the bigger the blade, the longer the spin down time is gonna be. Alright, so that's it for this thing. So thanks for watching. Peace.